Antonette, Shay here. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new, I do talk about hair and a lot of like self-care, maintenance, and a little bit of hauls and things like that on my channel. So if you are interested, then make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and leave a comment. Welcome yourself. That way I can say hi and welcome you to the crew. So let's just jump straight into the video. Today I have in my yummy hair extensions, Cambodian natural wave. I feel like that's always a tongue twister because there's like Cambodian wavy elegance, Cambodian curly wave, Cambodian this, Cambodian that, Cambodian natural straight. Yes, I have the curly wave, I have the wavy elegance, I have the natural straight, and now I have the natural wavy natural. What did I just say, y'all? Because it's, like I said, it's so much that I end up like confusing myself. This hair is just really is top tier. Now, being as though, as I mentioned, I have the Cambodian natural straight, you're probably wondering like, why did you go ahead and straighten this hair? Well, let me tell you why. I straightened this hair because the Cambodian natural straight and the Cambodian natural wave or wavy natural, whichever one it is, I think it's natural wave, I'm right, let me not say that, it's Cambodian natural wave. The wavy textures when straightened feel different. They do not feel the same, okay? They feel different, they do not feel the same. I love the way body hair or any type of wavy texture hair feels when it's straightened out, and I think I like that because it has a little bit of like that coarseness. But when I say coarseness, it's not dry or brittle or anything like that. It just has a little bit more texture to it, whereas the Cambodian natural straight, if I'm not mistaken, I believe like one of the reviewers had mentioned that it was still processed, but processed straight. And I was like, that makes a whole point, because it's like, it does feel different. It does feel like just slightly, but not by far, because I've dyed that hair and it's held up very well. But this hair, you can feel a little bit more of like that blowout kind of feel. You know, when you go to the Dominicans or wherever you go to get like a nice silk press, and it just has that powdery but silky soft feel. That's exactly, ooh, not a tangle. That's normal. That's normal. But that is exactly how this hair feels. And I just think the way I washed it and the products that I use sometimes play a role in how your hair will turn out. And this hair, like I said, it's not high maintenance. It's very easy to maintain. The maintenance is very low. So if you are looking for hair that you it's your first purchase with yummy hair extensions, then I definitely recommend the Cambodian natural wave. It has a very slight wave. It's like a body wave, you know. It's not too much to do. It doesn't get curly, it doesn't get tangly. I got like a little snag at the bottom, but that's because I straightened and brushed my hair a few hours ago, so that is normal. But as you can see, like, I'm running my hands through and it is just so soft. In that video I did show you guys what it looked like in its like natural state and before I straightened it. And the hair really, it's not a huge difference, right? It's not a huge difference. The hair still performs well. I will say though, since I have straightened it, I don't see any frizz. Like with this hair straight, there's like no frizz. Now when I wear it curled, when I curl it with my hot curlers or like my barrel curlers, it's not, I do get frizz. I do see plenty of frizz. I'm not sure why that is, but as I've worn it straight today, I don't have any frizz. Like, I have zero frizz. And you're probably like, well girl, you barely wore it. I flat ironed my hair this morning. Normally when I curl my hair with my curling iron, like even in the morning, immediately after I finish curling it, I see frizz. But to me, that's something that I'm just used to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm used to it. So it's like, whatever. But this hair is really good. I highly recommend. I am relaxed. I'm trying to think, how many months post relaxer am I? The girl is maybe like 3 months post relaxer, I want to say. If I'm lying, I'm flying, but I don't have a fresh relaxer. And this hair is just like, this is my hair. We a little dirty at the top, might need a little deep scrub, but this is my hair. And then this is the Cambodian natural wave. Now the thing is, my hair is more so, I want to say my hair is more so like a 1B, maybe almost like a number 2 at this point. I'm allergic to any type of dark hair dye, so I have like a PPD allergy. I tried to get the eyebrows done one time, girl, and it was a hell no. I went to Miami. It was a disaster. I tried it again. I put hair dye on my scalp and it was bad. The very first time I discovered that, actually, it was after I had given birth to my son, you know, 10 years ago, and I was like, oh, I want my hair touched up, give me a black dye. I always dye my hair black. I thought my head was on fire, y'all. It was, no, I leave it where it's at. I could do a hair rinse, but that's it. I rarely do it unless I'm really wearing my hair out for like a particular style, because it rinses right out. Like, it's never really jet black. So Yeah, and I haven't found a dye that I could use yet, so your girl just can't go. I can't even go natural brown. I can't do anything that has a darker dye in it, period, whatsoever. Like it's out of bundles. The bundles will like leave my arms and my back itching if it's like in my neck. But it's like after a while it'll stop. But who feel like going through that? Me. I sure would. I sure would. The things that I do for beauty, yes I would. But anyway, back to the hair. When I flat ironed this hair, I did just slightly do like a little bump, like a bump under, as you can see. It's like a little baby bump, you know? So it's not, I didn't do anything too crazy. This is the hair. This is where the hair hits on me, which is, I know I have a dress on, but my waist is like right here, right? So this is the 24 inches on me. It was a little longer. It did stop like right here, but I did trim about this much off of it because there was nothing wrong with it. Because while there is nothing wrong with the ends, I just like that blunt cut kind of look. But this is my booty, and it stops there on me. So I love the way I install my hair because I like my hair to like be in my face because I have such a slim, long face, and then I put these little like layers just to make it look a little natural. I wish I had a little bit more edges, child. That way I could just put my hair up in like those cute little top knot buns with the sunglasses. And you know, my little bag, my new Marc Jacobs tote bag that we got here, and I didn't do a review on it yet, but just like, you know, on my arm, my sunglasses, just minding my business, you know, shopping, out the door on the way to go. So I did just pick this bag up too. It's cute. I think I'm actually planning on doing like a little collective haul. I'm not sure. I want to do a collective haul or some kinds of like, I want to do a collective haul or like a spring haul or maybe like a May favorites. I'm not sure. I'm still waiting on one more thing to get here in the mail because y'all, I done went crazy ordering a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're back to the topic of this hair. When it comes to Yummy Hair extensions, I do plan, or I may possibly purchase one more bundle. I say that because I did win this hair in a giveaway, so I know I was not obligated to do a review or to wear the hair or to keep the hair. Like, I could do whatever I want to do with the hair, right? But I genuinely really do like this texture. My other review that I did post like with all the tea, what I said about the issue that I had with the weft and the gapping, that, look, the hair is still in my head, and this is what, who outside yelling like that? I'm telling you, it, Lord. Anyway, yeah, but like I said in the initial video, frizz is still very much there, but with the hair straightened, it's good. But with the hair curled, I think the frizz is going to stay the same. I think in the summertime that this hair will get frizzy. I feel like in the cooler months, the frizz is easier to maintain and you might have less like issues. I do think that is just what you get with the Cambodian hair, period. I can't really vouch for any other companies, but I do think that Cambodian is a really good textured hair. But in a warmer climate, oh baby, you better expect some issue. You better expect some high maintenance. But with this hair, I don't think I have an issue. I don't. It's just so good, especially straight. Now, with it curled or like with tight wand curls, I do think there will be an issue there because when I wore the Wavy Elegance last year, I used a wand curler, not flexi rods, a wand curler, and I took my time, baby. I wand curl each and every piece. It was all pretty and like voluminous, but when I'm telling you, when I went like this, like it just was like all connected and stuck together. And I know that happens with curly hair, but it was really hot this day. It had to be like 92 degrees. I went to New York. We went to, you know, a nice little rooftop, had dinner. I think we went to RH rooftop, had dinner. And child, it was a mess. I mean, I got a lot of compliments, but when I went like this, to lift up the, yeah. But I really still, I still have that hair. But I say that to say, I don't think I will be wearing any of my extensions during the summer. I don't know. I might purchase the Lush Curly, maybe like 2 bundles, so I could like do some cute versatile looks. We'll see. But that is my update on my Cambodian natural wave, straightened out, worn straight. My maintenance with it is very easy to maintain. I did create a video, you know, just like a nice little like beauty maintenance video. So I'm showing you guys how I wash my hair, how I let it air dry and everything like that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we got new things coming over here, and make sure you subscribe because I do have a clothing haul coming up next for you guys. If I didn't post it before this one, we'll see. I got a lot of stuff up my sleeve. But anyway, thank you so much for staying tuned in, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.